this is Victor with SpiceGnome.com, and this is another episode of Spice and Advice, a quickie edition. My mom makes the most delicious breakfast sandwiches. It's very, very easy to make. You can have it for breakfast, you can have it for lunch, you can have it for dinner. It's really good. I just took some bread. This is sourdough. You can use any type of bread that you want. Softer bread. And then what we're gonna do is we have 2 fried eggs. And we're gonna put the eggs in the sandwich. Then we're gonna put cheese. Then we're gonna put some ham. I'm using ham, but you can use mortadella, you can use salami, you can use whatever you want. And then the magic trick, fried plantains. They are so good. It's the mix of the salty with the sweet. Ho, 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 ho. If you don't have plantain, you can fry some bananas and do the same thing, and it works pretty well. The bread, we don't want it extremely toast. We just want it warm, a little bit toasty, but not too warm. Like that. It's messy, but it's so good. It's worth it. Mmm. Mmm. That's fantastic. It's a very easy sandwich to make, and you are going to love it. Thank you for watching.